What's the point of order, Honorable Kumaso? Honorable Kumaso? Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, you have an opportunity. Everybody Sanya Tam, get them out. Honorable Quebec. Honorable Quebec. Sanya Tam. Can you assume your seats, members? Assume your seats, members. Your seats, assume your seats. Order, members, order, members. Order, members. Honorable Quebec. Order. Honorable Quebec, you are on a point of order. You are on a point of order. Let's proceed.